In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to VicoHome app. Although I'm showing you to add this type of security camera, but it doesn't matter what type of security camera you are using or what model of security camera you are using or what brand of security camera you are using. If the camera uses the app VicoHome, app, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Step 1, we will learn how to install the app VicoHome and how to create an account. So I'm showing you for both Apple iPhone and the Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and for Android phone, go to Play Store and write VicoHome, VICO, VicoHome. Similarly here, VicoHome, VICO, VicoHome. So install here, this one, install. So both are installing. Here, open, allow, agree, get start. Now if you already have an account, then you can sign in, but if you are a new user, then sign up, agree, get started, sign up. So now the process is same. So username, so we need to create an username. I'm creating this one, and choose the country and enter your email address here. So the process is same like here. For Android phone, just enter your email address here, then understand, then you will choose this one, understand, done. So next step, got it. So next step, so they sent a verification code to my email address. For this one, they will send the same thing. So the process is now same for both Apple iPhone or Android phone. So I am only showing you for Apple iPhone and keeping this one away. So we need to check our email to get the verification code. So I'm checking my email. So they sent this verification code 488482. So next step, now we need to pick a password and confirm. So choose a password, then done. Now it's ready to add a new device. So let's get to next step. In step 2, we will learn how to add this security camera to the app. So first we need to give the power connection. So this part will go here for the power, and the other part the power outlet. So now it's getting the power. It got the power. Now here click add device, okay, allow. It will make a sound, so we need to wait for that sound. I heard the sound. Then next step, now it's searching at the camera. So here, this is the camera, it will search, okay, and it will get automatically. So press this one, and there are two different ways we can connect, actually three different ways: connect via Wi-Fi or connect via Ethernet cable. So if you look at here, there's a port here, Ethernet cable port. And what is Ethernet cable? Yeah, this is the Ethernet cable. Okay, this is the Ethernet cable. So one part will go here, and the other part will go to your router. Okay, the back part of your router, Wi-Fi router. But I'm connecting via Wi-Fi, so we do not need this Ethernet cable. We do not need that Ethernet cable. So I'm connecting via Wi-Fi. Then next, now we need to pick our Wi-Fi name and its password. Then done. Then next step, confirm. Then got it, join. Now it is searching the device. It will take some time.
Connection succeeded.
Yeah, so it connection succeeded. Now you can give the name, camera name. I'm giving name test1, and you can choose where the location is. Yeah, suppose it's backdoor. Then test. Next step. Then let's get start. Next step, and you can pick what type of camera. This one. So this is a plug-in camera. Yeah, so this one. Now next, finish. Yeah, they want to buy a plan, but we do not want to buy plan. If you want, you can buy. So no thanks. Continue without plan, and you can upgrade the software in this camera, but I'm ignoring now. Ignore this. Now continue. Yep, now it is connected. Now the next question is how we can control the device. So if you click this one, it will be bigger size. Okay, and if you want to make a video, yeah, now if you want to rotate the camera, then press this one, it will rotate left, right, then down. Okay, so it can rotate all direction. And if you want to make any video, then press this one, then it will make video. And if you want to take picture, then press this one, it will take picture. And if you want to talk to someone in front of this camera, then press and hold this button. Okay, press and hold this button. If you want to hear the sound in front of this camera, then press this one. Yeah, then you can hear the sound in front of this camera. And if you saw someone in front of the camera and make an alarm, then if you press this one, it will make an alarm. So that's it. Now one other question is, why we need those parts? Because this is an outdoor camera and it will be on the rain. So to protect this part, we need this one. So how we can arrange it? So this part will go here, and other part, this one will go here. I don't think this one is here. It will be here. And this one will go this way. Yeah. And this one will be here. So it will be this way, and it is safe from the rain. if for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the device. Now the question is how we can reset the device. If you look at the device, if you look at this camera, there's a micro SD card slot here. So if you open it, so this is the micro SD card slot. You can insert the micro SD card here. So the camera will save the video in micro SD card and you can look at those video later. And there is a button here. This is the reset button. Okay, so take something like this and press and hold this one, the button, then it will reset. Yeah, it resetted and it's starting up. Yeah, so it's ready to connect. So now you can try again and very highly likely the camera will be connected to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.